To purchase Bitcoins, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile phone and log in using your fingerprint or password. Once logged in, you will see the home page, where you can find the Buy option at the top. Tap on this option to proceed. You will then be presented with a list of currencies that can be purchased, including Bitcoin. Select the Bitcoin option and enter the amount you wish to purchase. By default, the amount is set to 150, but you can change this to any amount you prefer. Next, tap on the Best Rate option to view the rates offered by various platforms. Choose the platform that offers the best rate, or select a different one if you have a preference. After choosing your platform, tap Next and proceed to enter the required information to complete your purchase. Once you have completed these steps, you will be able to purchase your Bitcoins through the Trust Wallet app. This process is straightforward and easy to follow, and it allows you to acquire Bitcoins directly through the app.